you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video, and welcome back. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing my 10-minute makeup routine. I have a total of like 15 minutes to leave from my house, but I have about 10 minutes to spare to do my makeup. So as you guys can see, I'm in my bathroom. I'm so sorry about the echo if there is one. I am in my bathroom. I'm just using my small ring light. I just wanted to give you guys a very realistic makeup, something that isn't with a million and one products, something that's not going to take you forever, something that is just quick, fast, and straight to the point. The products that I'm going to be using today are my concealers, glosses, cream bronzer, cream blush, setting powder, brow pencil. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. My camera is blocking my view of the mirror, so I am going to be using the viewfinder so that I can see myself while I'm doing this. Hopefully it turns out right. First, what I'm going to do is use the Boing concealer by Benefit. This is in the shade 11, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes, and then I'm also going to put a little bit here. Alright, so I went and got my little mirror because I feel like the viewfinder is just not going to cut it. So like I said, I just put some concealer. Oh, that's a lot. Put some concealer under my eyes. I'm going to put a little bit around my mouth area. It's a little bit darker. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. And I'm just gonna press it into my skin. You don't wanna do any dragging with this. Just press it in. And it just blends right in nicely. I'm gonna go in with number 9 using the same Benefit Boing concealer, and I'm literally gonna just do like a dot. This is just going to help to brighten up that area a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna blend. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty bronzer, and I'm using the shade Bronzed Belle, and I'm just going to use that to bronze my face because I'm not going to use a powder bronzer. So I'm gonna go along my nose. And then just go along the other parts of my face that I would normally bronze. I'm not necessarily trying to contour, just giving my face a little more depth. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder, and this is in the shade Cassava, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, and I'm just pressing it in, not necessarily baking, just pressing it in. I'm actually going to use my brush to do this. I feel like the brush just offers a little more coverage, I guess, and it blends better into the skin. I'm using the Tower 28 blush. It's Beach Please Golden Hour. It's like orange, and I'm just gonna take this stippling brush or microfiber brush. It's by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. And I'm gonna bring that up. I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but what it does is it pretty much ties the bronzer and the concealer together, so there is no harshness in between the two. Plus, blush just adds like that perfect flirty look to your face or to any look. And I like using this on my skin even when I'm not wearing any other products. I'll just put blush on. And I'm just gonna take the Beauty Blender, same one, and just blend it in a little bit so it's not super harsh or noticeable. You know, you just want like that slight flushed look on the face. And I've been loving cream blushes and bronzers for the summer because they just melt right into your skin. And just blend. And then I'm going to also like rub it on my nose to give like that sun-kissed blush look. And blend it. Put a little bit up here on my forehead, whatever's left on the brush. I don't know if you can even really tell on camera, but then we're gonna blend it in. I'm using the Colourpop Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown to fill in my brows, and I'm just gonna flick up the brow pencil. I don't want my brows to be too harsh because when I'm not wearing a full face, I feel like brows being super done up just doesn't really flatter me. So I'm gonna try to keep it as natural looking as possible. And I'm just gonna go along the natural shape of my brows first. And then sort of flick the pencil up, fill them in a little bit. Okay, so now that our brows are done, I'm gonna just brush through them just to make sure that the product is evenly dispersed or distributed throughout. And that's it, we're gonna leave them as is. And now for gloss, I don't really know which gloss I'm gonna put on. I think I'm gonna put on this Tower 28 gloss. It's in the shade Cashew. Good. And I like to pile the gloss on, especially when I'm not wearing any lip liner. You could just go crazy with the gloss. I'm gonna put a little bit of this other gloss, Coconut. It's by Tower 28 as well, and it's just like a pink here. It's like this pink. Zoom. Okay, focus. Yeah, so it's like this pink shade, and I'm gonna put that a little bit, just a little bit in the center. And that is it for this makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I'll be right back to close out the video. Okay, so I am dressed and ready to go, but I forgot that I have lashes on, and I know a lot of you don't like to put on lashes every day, and that's fine. So I did grab my mascara. This one is the Kush mascara by Milk. I'm gonna put a little bit on my bottom lash line. And this is what those of you who don't like to wear lashes every day or all the time, this is what you guys can do. Just put on some mascara that's jet black. That's gonna give your lashes that extra oomph, so you don't even need any lashes at all. I'm gonna finish off the look and tie everything together by adding the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. And you guys, that is it. This look literally takes me roughly about 9, 10, maybe 11 minutes tops. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you do like it. Liking the video does help to increase its reach, so make sure that you do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And make sure that you leave me some comments down in the comment section below, letting me know your thoughts on the video. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your support, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!